This is it. A very powerful juice, fresh juice. It's good for our immune system.
Kick.
Today we are going to make an energy booster miracle drink, and the ingredients that we need is celery. You know, celery is good for our immune system, and also carrots and apple. I use apple greens and whole lemon, and of course ginger and garlic. So I have to clean them first, and here they are. I cut them into small pieces. You know, beetroot is packed with essential nutrients. These are great source of fiber, folate, vitamin B9, manganese, potassium, iron, and vitamin C. So this is essential, and I use this like every morning drink on empty stomach. So they have the like high content of inorganic nitrates. For the carrots benefits, it is claimed to be the perfect health food, and carrots are a particularly good source of beta-carotene, fiber, vitamin K1, potassium, and antioxidants. So they are weight loss friendly food, kaya maganda to, and also good for eye health, improve eye health. And you know, antioxidants have been linked to reduce risk of cancer, kaya the best talaga siya. And yeah, super packed with the nutritions ang carrots. Kaya dapat lang na lagi niyo siyang include sa food niyo. Sa juicing niyo. And let's go to celery. Celery benefits is a source of important antioxidants. They contains vitamin C, beta-carotene, flavonoids, but there are 12 additional kinds of antioxidants na meron dun sa isang single stalk. See how powerful the celery is? And celery reduces inflammation. Celery supports digestion. It's rich in vitamins and minerals and has an alkalizing effect too. Kaya super packed. So they are mixed with carrots, beetroot, celery. Oh, there's a lot of healthy benefits to your body, especially this situation, pandemic. So we go to the benefits of ginger. Ginger keeps your mouth healthy, diba? Fresh lang, fight germs, at marami pang iba. And maganda siya, it counts nausea, pampaganda pa ng voice, o diba? Can soothe sore muscles. And yun, marami pang iba. Search nyo na lang. And garlic is nutritious but has few calories. So 1 clove of garlic has manganese, vitamin B6, vitamin C, selenium, and fiber. Kaya it's good for our body too. And apple benefits is they are nutritious, good for weight loss, and linked to lower risk of diabetes. And substances in apples may help prevent cancer, diba? So, 1 apple a day makes the doctors go away. So ito na po siya. It's full of nutrients, antioxidants, and very, very good for our immune system. Kaya try nyo guys, especially this kind of pandemic. And also for my pulp, I'm using a good juicer, kaya hindi na kailangan siyang salain. Pero pag basa pa siya guys, pwede siyang salain. Marami pa kayong makukuhang mga liquids niyan. Ganyan kasi ginawa ko dati. Kasi dati yung ginamit ko yung juicer, hindi siya ganun kaganda. Pero ngayon kasi okay naman siya. Kaya hindi ko rin siya sinasala. Tapos, ito na nga siya. Hope you enjoy the video and hopefully this may lead to a healthy lifestyle. Thank you for watching. Bye. God bless.